Nobody's talking about how exhausting it is to want more money, more freedom, more time, but still feel stuck working a 9 to 5 or drowning in school with nothing to show for it. And if that's you, you're not lazy. You're not behind. You've just been lied to about how to actually start a profitable online business in 2025. So let's change that today. In this video, I'm giving you the 5 best online businesses you can start this year. Even if you got 0 followers, no tech skills, and you're still figuring it out. These are proven, low-cost, digital-first models that are working right now. Because if I had this list when I started, I wouldn't have wasted so much time. First up, digital products. This is my personal favorite. Think ebooks, templates, mini courses, Notion planners, checklists, stuff that solves a real problem and can be delivered instantly. No shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches. You create it once and sell it over 100 times. Even better, you don't have to create them from scratch. There are PLR private label rights and MRR master resale rights products you can rebrand and sell as your own. This is one of the easiest ways to start with 0 audience. And I show you exactly how inside my Digital Boss bundle. Second, faceless content creation. This is blowing up right now. You can grow on YouTube, Pinterest, or even Instagram using AI tools, stock footage, and voiceovers without ever showing your face. If you've seen those aesthetic reels or YouTube videos that talk about money, mindset, or side hustles, that's faceless content. It's low effort, high impact, and you can automate the whole process with tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs. Third, affiliate marketing, but not the spammy kind. You promote tools, software, or products you already use and get paid a commission when someone buys through your link. Here's where most people mess up. They just drop links without context. But if you build trust through your content and pair it with a simple funnel or tutorial video, this can make you $500 to $2,000 a month passively. Platforms like YouTube and Pinterest are perfect for this. Fourth, digital done-for-you services. This is great if you've got a skill like editing, writing, or designing. But even if you don't, you can package up AI-assisted services like Reels editing using CapCut, Canva, graphic creation. Caption writing with ChatGPT digital product design. Using templates, you deliver the service once, but you can also productize it into something scalable over time. Perfect for side hustlers who want client income without doing calls all day. Fifth, teaching what you already know. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be one step ahead. People pay to skip steps. Whether you've learned how to grow on threads, automate content, or make money with AI, there's someone who needs that shortcut. Micro education is $1 billion space. And 2025 is the year more creators than ever get paid to teach. Here's what all 5 of these have in common. They're digital, low overhead, passive income, friendly, and they work without having a massive audience. But here's the truth. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they're inconsistent and lack clarity. You need a strategy, a system, a brand that makes people trust you. That's what I teach inside Creators Bootcamp. If you want my exact system to go from posting and praying to real passive sales, I linked my free starter guide and the Creators Bootcamp waitlist in the description. Inside, I show you how to build your brand, automate your income, sell without burnout. Even if you're in school working 9 to 5 or just starting out, I got you. Click the link. Let's build your digital bag this year.